In this video, we'll look at what examples involving the Doppler effect. So in this first one, a model oil rigs floating in a tank of water in which the water waves travel at 0.8 meters per second. And the model has an oscillator which generates frequencies, waves with frequency of 20 hertz. The model drifts towards one side of the tank at 0.2 meters per second. So this is V, the speed of the waves. This is Fs, the frequency of the source. And this is Vs, the speed of the source. And it's drifting towards one side of the tank, but it's asking you the frequency on the opposite side of the tank. Not that clear, but basically it's moving away from you. So when we get to pick our equation, we're going to pick the plus as the source is moving away from you, so you'll get a lower frequency. So substituting in the values, I know in this they don't list the variables, but I was make sure that you do. And then plugging in the values, you get 16 hertz. Similar problem, motorbike sounding it's 460 Hz, so that's the frequency of the source. Passes a stationary man near the road. The motorbike travels at 24 meters per second, so that's the speed of the source, and the speed of sound in air is 340 meters per second. And we're after what notes are heard by the man and when these notes are heard. Basically, what we've concentrated on so far is moving towards and moving away. In reality, there is a bit of a slide as it moves past you, just to do the kind of components, because you're not right in line with it. But you'll see this question here, we'll just ask you when it's in line, as it kind of treats as a third note. But if you look at SQA past paper questions, it focuses on moving towards or away. So as it approaches, we pick the minus sign from the equation in the formula sheet. It's got a plus or minus in the bottom of the actual formula sheet. And plugging in the values, you would get 495 hertz. As it moves away, then we pick the plus, so we're going to get a smaller frequency, and that will give you 430 hertz. And then lastly, when it's level with the man, 460 hertz would be heard.